Today we're diving into the world of electrolytes and how they can keep you hydrated and energized. First up, we have the Vega Sport Electrolyte Hydrator. This one is in lemon lime. Aside from the electrolytes, it also contains over 100% of your daily vitamin C, has no added sugar, and it's vegan and gluten-free. It's a great choice for athletes, providing electrolytes to help fuel your performance. And Vega is also a certified B Corp, so you can feel good about your purchase. Now moving on to Organica. Organica has a range of options, including the electrolytes plus enhanced collagen. This one here is in zesty lemon berry. They also have electrolytes endurance. This one here is in cherry frost, which is specially formulated to help keep you hydrated during your workout. And electrolytes recovery. This one is in berry blast, which is formulated to help aid in your recovery after intense exercise. It contains L-glutamine, collagen, and other BCAAs to help you in your journey in building lean muscle tissue and mass when combined with regular weight and resistance training and a healthy, balanced diet. Next, if you want something super convenient, try the Herbaland Active Electrolyte Gummies. These ones we have here are in pina colada. These delicious gummies are a fun way to replenish your electrolytes on the go if you do sports like running or cycling. The packaging is 100% compostable, and the gummies are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, and low sugar. And like Vega, Herbaland is also a certified B Corp. Lastly, another one we're big fans of is the Within Us Rehydrate Plus True Marine Collagen Electrolyte Powder. This one here is in peach. It's a fantastic option for those seeking a premium, gluten-free, and non-GMO product that has both benefits of collagen and electrolytes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips, product reviews, and everything else. Thanks for watching.